everyone, I hope you all are good. So, firstly, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Mr. Javed sir and Mr. Arun sir. And I am Ayushi, and I am the leader of my group. Group members, today our group discussion topic is importance of failure in life. I agree with the topic and believe failure teaches valuable lessons. Explanations like failure helps people understand their mistakes and learn from experience. It develops confidence, determinations, and patience, which are necessary for success in life. Many successful people faced failure before achieving their goals. So now I would like to invite my group members to their views. So thank you so much.
Firstly, I would like to say thanks to express myself as a group leader. So we are here to discuss about digital marketing. Have you ever thought what is digital marketing? In simple words, digital marketing is made up of two words, digital, which means using the internet and computer, and marketing is the process of understanding what people needs or want, and then creating, promoting and delivering products or services. In other words, digital marketing refers to marketing that is done using the internet or electronic devices. Now, I would request Sonia to express your thought and ideas. Thank you.